Hello students. In this video we are going to discussing about the 2D plane problem. Okay, so the given aim of the problem is to calculate the stresses and the displacement for the plate shown in the below figure. Let the load be a 100 Newton, that is P is equal to 100 Newton, is applied at the equal distance from the both the ends. Okay, and along with that, they given the Young modulus is equal to 3 into that is a 3000, okay, Newton per mm, and the Poisson ratio is 0.3 and thickness is equal to the given 2 mm. Okay, that is the 2 mm thickness is given. Okay, so observe this is a 2D plane problem. Okay, so here on the both the side a load is acting, that is 12.5 mm. Okay, so at the equal distance. Okay, and look at this, the height is given from this point to this load is, that is 100 mm, and the width is given 300 mm. Okay, at the middle the given radius of curvature is 25. Okay, so thickness for the given is 10 mm. Okay, so now how to solve this problem with help of by ANSYS? Now the sir will explain now.
So go to preference, select structural, OK, preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add, select solid as the element type. Since it is a plane stress problem, we need to define the element behavior as plane stress with thickness, give OK, close, then real constant, add, edit, delete, add, OK. The thickness value is given as 2 mm. Let me enter that, entered, close this, go to material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. The Young's modulus value, it is 3 e power 7, and Poisson's ratio value, it is 0.31, give OK. Now go to the modeling. Let me create the areas directly. Let me create a rectangle by dimension. So it is a plate of 500 mm width and 100 mm height. Give OK. Now I need to remove a semicircle from this. So for that I will be going with circle, solid circle. The distance is 250 in x direction, y direction it is 0, and radius is 25. Give OK. Solid circle has been created. Now I need to remove the solid circle. For that go with Boolean, subtract areas. So first let me select this plate. Now selecting this, give OK. Now I need to do the meshing. Go to the meshing, mesh, areas free, select the plate, give OK. It is telling that 4 of the elements is violating the aspect ratio, so we need to modify that. For that go with modifying mesh, define attributes, elements. By clicking the box command, let me select all the elements together. By applying the level of refinements, I will be defining as 3. Give OK and close. Now we can able to see how the geometry has been discretized into finite elements, finite number of elements. Now let me apply the boundary conditions. The boundary condition is structural displacement on nodes. The left node, it is fixed in all DYF, selecting all DYF, and the right node, a roller support is given, so selecting only UY direction by clicking OK. Now a point load of 100 Newton is applied. For that go with the force moment on nodes, apply, it is FY direction and it is acting downwards, so it is minus 100. Give OK. Now go to the solution, current load step, give OK. So we got the solution. So how to view the solution? Go to general post processor, plot results, deformed shape plus undeformed shape in plot results. We can able to see the deformed body. Now how to see the pictorial view stress? Go to the stress, von Mises stress, give OK. So this is the stress value. If you want to check in the list format, go to the nodal solution, select stress, von Mises stress and give OK. So this is the list stress value. This is how this problem should be solved. If you get any doubts related to this, Post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you.